More than 4 in 10 people in Ireland will be classified as obese by 2050, according to a new global study. Women in Ireland ranked in 9th place globally in 2021 with 33% obese. This is projected to rise to 46% in 2050. Men in Ireland were ranked 7th in the global obesity table in 2021 with a rate of 29%. They will rank in 8th place by 2050 with 41% obese. The projections have emerged in a new Lancet study published on Tuesday. It said that without urgent policy reform and action, over half the world's adult population and a third of all children and adolescents are forecast to be living with overweight or obesity by 2050. The number of adults with overweight or obesity worldwide rose from 731 million in 1990 to 2.11 billion in 2021. The figure for children and adolescents rose from 198 million to 493 million over the same period. The study predicts a 121% rise in obesity among young people globally, with the total number of children and adolescents with obesity projected to reach 360 million by 2050. The substantial increase in obesity forecast between 2022 and 2030 underscores an urgent need for action. The rankings for Ireland are for high-income countries and are separate to lower-income countries. Globally, the predicted surge in child and adolescent obesity is expected to outpace the increase in overweight, with substantial increase expected between 2022 and 2030. Children and young adolescents, especially males, including in Ireland, are expected to fare worse, with levels of obesity overtaking overweight in males aged between 5 and 14 by 2050.